Hi, everybody. I'm meteorologist AJ Colby here in the Weather Center, and happy Friday, everybody. Hope you're having a terrific day today. Boy, those clouds are hanging tough today, and some snowflakes flying in the area associated with a clipper type system, which we're going to be getting into that as well shortly. But first things first, I always like to start off with the forecast right at the offshoot here. So let's take a look and what we have going. And we're starting off with Sunday in the extended outlook with partly sunny skies. So that is getting beyond this latest snow that's coming through, which we'll be looking at momentarily a little bit more in detail. Wintry mix coming on Monday. Temperatures right around 40, only a 30% probability that we're going to get snowed or rained on. Again, that could be a wintry mix. And a few snow showers possible on Christmas Eve. Would that be in time for a white Christmas? Well, it sure looks like it would help the matter with highs in the upper 30s to near 40. So maybe before we get any big time melting going on, we would have the opportunity for maybe a white Christmas morning. Will that occur? Well, all bets are off on terms of in terms of that. But of course, we will continue to track that. Meantime, we have a live look now from Fairport Harbor, and you can see there's some precipitation out there currently, but most areas, as of this point, are seeing perhaps a little bit of a wintry mix and a mix of snow. And we can see that currently on radar. Lake effect snow band is not currently set up. That's going to take place tomorrow, but this is likely not going to affect travel very much. There is a little bit more moderate snow out over the lake right now, and of course the pinks that you see out here over the western basin of Lake Erie, and the green south of there is just rain showers, not snow, not all snow just yet. But with enough cold air around, it is definitely going to change everything over to all snow. And we do expect that to happen through the overnight period tonight. So, what do we have in terms of our lake snow potential? Well, according to the National Weather Service in Cleveland, a winter weather advisory is posted now and is hoisted for Cuyahoga, Lake Geauga, and Ashtabula counties. That's shaded in purple there from the National Weather Service in Cleveland. So a quick burst of snow accompanying the cold front this evening, as you see there in the first statement, followed by lake effect snow tonight through Saturday, with snowfall totals maybe a half a foot of snow before all is said and done, a little bit more than that. And rates up to an inch per hour, not out of the question. Persistent lake effect snow bands, wind chills into the teens and single digits, and that will be late tonight on into the day, Saturday. The probability of 4 inches for counties outside of the advisory area are pretty low, but you can see the highest probability is over the chimney of Geauga County. No surprise there, right, guys? Into the primary snow belt, basically, those are the highest chances for the higher snowfall amounts. So get ready for some accumulating snow overnight tonight and much colder temperatures as well. From outer space, a lot of cloud cover. In fact, the entire state of Ohio awash in cloud cover right now. We widen the view to encompass not only Chicagoland, but parts of Wisconsin. The sun shining over Wisconsin, but that's a snowpack on the ground there, as you can see on visible satellite. We'll widen the view even more so to take you to the lower 48. Most of the sunshine confined to Texas, over to Louisiana, Mississippi, Alabama, Georgia, and Florida, the Sunshine State. No big surprise there. How about radar? Well, you can see the gray colors are indicative of currently falling snow over Buffalo, Detroit, and Boston. A little wintry mix of rain and snow. It's rain downstate for the most part. Columbus is showing rain showers as of right now. Maps in motion tonight. There's our clipper system going through. And on the backside, we've got winds flowing off the lake. I do think that Lake Huron may get in on the action a little bit with the way the isobars are lining up here at the surface and aloft, along with a trough of low pressure that could perhaps augment some of the Lake Erie moisture with Lake Huron moisture as well into our primary and secondary snow belts tomorrow afternoon. High pressure starting to build in tomorrow night, but you can see the Lake Erie snow machine is still going, just like the that bunny from one of those batteries. It just keeps going and going. Sunday morning, we start to see things quiet down. And I think by Sunday evening, lake effect will be over with because effectively high pressure heading off to the east is going to swing the winds around to more of a southerly direction. And that will shut off the lake effect, Lake Erie snow machine, and Lake Huron snow machine. A little bit closer look at how the snow moves. You can see the bands of snow off of Lake Huron and over Lake Erie, Lake Geauga, Ashtabula counties, maybe even eastern Cuyahoga County. Highest snowfall amounts, as you can see, are downwind of Lake Huron over southern lower Michigan and southern Canada. But there is one little section there, and you can see the higher amounts. That's a half a foot of snow. Uh, not out of the question by Sunday evening. Our forecast for tonight goes as follows: brisk and cold, snow showers, anywhere from cosmetic coatings up to an inch. That's an everybody's snow, synoptic snow, if you will. Overnight lows 25, chills will be in the teens with a very brisk north wind. Sunset 5:01. Today is the last day we're going to be losing daylight because tomorrow is the first day of winter. That it is, the winter solstice arriving officially at 4:19 a.m. From that moment on, we start to add daylight. Of course, it'll be imperceptible, just a few seconds here and there every day, building, getting into the month of January. But otherwise, snow showers, very wintry. Accumulations in the snow belts will be up there, 3 to 6 or 7 or so. Most other areas outside of where the snow band set up will be under an inch. 28 only for a high. Sun up at 7:50. Northwest winds, that's blustery, 15 to 20 miles an hour. So here's the rest of the weekend. You saw this at the top of the segment, but just to review, partly sunny. We're looking at a 28 on Sunday, down to 18 Sunday night. Wintry mix Monday, 40, 38 on Tuesday, snow showers. And for Christmas Day, mostly cloudy and the high at 40 degrees. Maybe a white Christmas morning before we start to see that snow begin to melt off, with temperatures getting up close to 40 and perhaps even a little bit of sunshine too, and that would aid the melting. All right, everybody, have a great and safe weekend as you bring your holiday shopping maybe to a start or a finish, depending on where you are in that process. I wish you the best and safe travels. From the AJ Colby Weather Center, I am meteorologist AJ Colby. Have a great night, everybody.